Hey, today's session we will see how we can do maths with vectors. So let's start with defining our vector first. So I will define a vector x, okay, and I will add values 1 to 10 into it. Okay, so our vector has now value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and let's add 1 to it. Okay, to add 1, okay, I have to just say x plus 1. Okay, and now you can see each value in x has been added with 1. So this is so pretty simple that whenever you want to increment or decrement any value, you can just do a simple maths with the vectors. So something like this, and now it will subtract 1 from the original x value. Okay, so how about two different vectors, okay, having their summation together? So let's have another vector. I create another vector which has values like 10, 30, 40, 50. Okay, okay, and now just see here. Okay, now our vector, okay, this vector is also has 10 components, okay, whereas x is also having a 10 components. Okay, and now let's do a simple maths with them. So what is our x? It's 1 to 10, and our y is 10 to 100. Now when we add x plus y, okay, it will add each element to respective components of the uh, other vector. Now this is pretty simple. We have both the vectors which are of the same size. Now what will happen if our one vector is shorter than the other? So let's say we have a another vector z, okay, but now it has only five values like one. So let's have it 1 to 5. Okay, now you see here our z has only values 5. Okay, whereas our x has value total components 10. So what will happen when we do the summation of x plus z? Okay, it will actually treat this z as 1 2 3 4 5, and then again 1 2 3 4 5. So your z actually acts like this. So it will have a values like if we say x, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then when we add z, it will be treated like 1, uh, 1 2 3 4, okay, and then 5. But then because there are more components in your x, okay, it will treat it as once again 1, and then 2. So it will basically it will r will try to repeat itself and do this thing. This is called as a recycling. Okay, so this is how actually the z variable will be sorry, z vector is treated while doing the calculation. Now what will happen if our z has only three values? Okay, so um, now this recycling rule, okay, will fail, because when we do this x plus z, it is 1 2 3, okay, then again 1 2 3, and again 1 2 3, and then it is only 1. Okay, and there is no value for the next two elements. But then uh, you know then in this case r will do the summation. Okay, but throw some warning. So let's see here. It is 1 plus 1 2, then 2 plus 2 4, and 3 plus 3 6, and then again once again, into 4 it has been added 1, in 5 it has added 2, and in 6 it added 3, similar till 9, and then it added the 10th value with 1, but then there was no values. So it has thrown a warning, okay, and then it does a mathematics, okay, like that. So that is a simple vector calculation how it is done. Thanks everyone.